All right, so welcome everybody to the first question on the 2014 grade 7 released math SOL test. So the question is as follows: which of the following is a true statement? So the first thing we need to recognize is they're looking for which one of these statements is true. Key factor here. Which one of these is actually true? So let's go ahead and begin with the first choice, saying negative 10 plus 14 equals 4. A lot of students have difficulties with these kinds of problems trying to combine positive and negative integers. So usually when students have this difficulty, I try and give them a mental image. So the mental image is this. Imagine that we are standing on a number line at 0. So we're literally standing at 0 on a number line. And we begin by traveling on the number line to negative 10. So we are going to bloop, 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 move in that direction all the way down here to negative 10. So now I'm sitting in this spot right here. But then it asks me to add 14 to that. So to add 14, I need to move back in the other direction. So I begin moving back in the other direction. I go all the way back. I'm at 0. That's 10 steps to get back to 0. But I need to go 14 steps altogether. So I need to travel actually another boop, doop, goop, goop, another 4 steps, leaving me at positive 4. So negative 10 plus 14 does indeed equal positive 4. So we've already found the true statement. Now we should always check every single question or every single possible answer just to make sure that we didn't perhaps make a careless mistake. B and D both are not possible because of the same reason. When you are multiplying or dividing positive and negative numbers, if one is a negative and one is a positive, or if one is a positive and one is a negative, it doesn't matter, then your answer should come out to be a negative answer. So 14, negative 14 divided by 10 should be a negative 1.4. 14 times negative 10 should be a negative 140. But because there are no negatives in your answers, you can cross those two right off the list. And then this, you can try and follow the same thought process we did here. But we begin with a positive 10, so we're going to the right 10 steps. Then we're following that with a negative 14, so we're going to go backwards 14 steps, bringing us into the negative area. So this answer should be a negative 4, but the answer is a positive 4, and that is why that's not possible either. All right, so the key to this kind of question is, first of all, making sure we're reading the question correctly, and second of all, we're being careful as to the rules of adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing integers. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a wonderful day.